Are you looking to start investing in cryptocurrencies but are unsure of where to start? Well, you have come to the right place. We have simplified the choice process with an in-depth analysis of the top 10 cryptocurrencies to buy now. As a new investor in cryptocurrencies, finding high growth, yet low-risk cryptocurrencies can be tasking. Quite understandable given that hundreds of new cryptocurrencies are coming to the market daily. To help you buy the best cryptocurrencies, we have sieved the entire market and selected the top 10 cryptocurrencies with the most potential in 2022. Best cryptocurrencies to buy right now. Below is an overview of the top 10 cryptocurrencies to buy right now. Each of these cryptocurrencies that have the potential to make you good money in 2022. Sandbox, Cardano, ApeCoin, Avalanche, Binance Coin, Ethereum. An in-depth look at the best cryptocurrencies to buy now. There are so many cryptocurrencies that performed well in the past and can do better in the future. That in this market, it is possible to find yourself with split decisions. For instance, it is pretty normal to wonder whether to invest in Ethereum or go to newer cryptocurrencies that have exponential growth potential. The ever-changing dynamics can also complicate the process of deciding on the top cryptocurrencies to invest in today. For instance, in early 2021, the market was all about the hottest new meme coins.
This year, the metaverse has been all the rage, but you can never be sure what the next big trend will be. These issues don't need to bother you, though.
All the cryptocurrencies in the list above have a combination of the three things that can give a cryptocurrency value in the long run. These are strong mainstream visibility, adoption, and technical superiority. This gives them an edge over their competitors, and that's good for their potential value appreciation. Let's now look at each of these cryptocurrencies in depth to give you a better idea of why they make it to the list of top cryptocurrencies to buy right now.
1. Sandbox. Sandbox is a metaverse cryptocurrency and has been one of the best performing altcoins of the last 2 years. Most analysts expect Sandbox to be trading north of $20 in the next 5 years.
Given that Sandbox has been in a correction for most of 2022 so far, it comes off as one of the top cryptocurrencies to buy right now in anticipation of the next bull run. However, it is not analyst projections that make Sand a top cryptocurrency to buy today. The Sandbox team has made a lot in driving up the intrinsic value of Sand. For instance, besides its fast-growing play-to-earn ecosystem, Sandbox recently entered the virtual concerts market. Warner Music is now working on holding virtual concerts in the Sandbox metaverse. As adoption grows, the value of the Sandbox will also grow. This further adds to the potential of Sand as a top metaverse cryptocurrency to buy in 2022.
2. Axie Infinity. AXS. Axie Infinity is another metaverse growth cryptocurrency to buy today. Axie Infinity is a play-to-earn gaming platform where players can take part in developing gaming characters, which they can then monetize as NFTs. So far, Axie Infinity has grown to have one of the priciest NFT collections in crypto. Thanks to the growing adoption of play-to-earn gaming, AXS has emerged as one of the best-performing metaverse cryptocurrencies of the last 2 years. In November 2020, Axie Infinity was trading at $0.123, and by November 2021, Axie Infinity made an all-time high of $165.37. Since adoption is growing, but the price has since corrected by more than 79%, Axie Infinity makes for one of the best metaverse cryptocurrencies to buy right now. Even if it were to retest its all-time highs, anyone who chooses to buy Axie Infinity today would be in massive profit. It is not surprising that expert Axie Infinity price predictions are optimistic for 2022. The odds are in AXS's favor. 3. Decentraland. Mana. Decentraland is one of the top metaverse cryptocurrencies in the market today. With the exponential growth of the metaverse, Mana can't miss out on the hot cryptocurrencies to buy right now. Decentraland is one of the more decentralized metaverse cryptocurrencies in the market today. This has led to an explosion in the adoption of its lands by retail investors and big companies. For instance, Samsung recently opened a virtual store on the Decentraland metaverse. Not so long ago, a piece of real estate on the Decentraland metaverse was sold for $2.4 million. For the most part, Mana's price action has been consistent with the growing adoption of the Decentraland metaverse. Mana went from a low of $0.0078 in 2017 to a high of $5.90 in 2021, representing gains of 6,146.71%. However, Mana has since corrected by over 70% from its all-time highs. With collaborations with play-to-earn games on the rise and other use cases for its metaverse coming up, there is no doubt that Mana is a high-growth, undervalued cryptocurrency to buy right now. Analyst Mana price predictions are also bullish, and many expect it to do well not just in 2022 but for many years to come. 4. Polygon matic. Polygon has been drawing a lot of investor attention since 2020, and for a good reason. It is expected to be one of the cryptocurrencies that will handle most Ethereum transactions once ETH 2.0 comes alive. Since the Ethereum merger is expected by mid-2020, it follows that Polygon is highly undervalued and one of the top cryptocurrencies to buy today. Besides the expected explosion in adoption, matic's price action also confirms that it is a top cryptocurrency that is undervalued at current prices. In December 2021, Polygon made an all-time high of $2.92. Since then, it has experienced a massive correction and is currently 60% off its all-time highs. If the entire cryptocurrency market turns bullish again, Polygon could make investors rich in 2022. Given its current price and the potential for adoption, many analysts are also strongly bullish on matic. Most Polygon price predictions expect matic to gain by at least 50% from its current price in 2022. Many also see it doing at least 3x in the next 5 to 10 years. 5. Cardano. ADA. Cardano entered the crypto scene in 2017 and, by 2021, had become one of the biggest Ethereum competitors with growth potential. Cardano has also been one of the best performing cryptocurrencies since its launch. In September 2021, Cardano made an all-time high of $3.10 based on news about the launch of smart contracts. Cardano has since crashed, like the rest of the cryptocurrency market. Cardano is now trading at 72% off its all-time highs. With adoption on the rise, the chances are that the price will catch up again. This makes Cardano one of the best cryptocurrencies to buy now while it is still undervalued. It is also noteworthy that Cardano is still under development and has a lot of milestones set on its roadmap. As each of these roadmaps is met, it is likely to be met with positive price action, especially if it happens at a time when the market is bullish. Analysts are also quite bullish on Cardano. Most Cardano price predictions expect it to make new highs in the next 5 years. Such bullish sentiments serve to make Cardano an attractive cryptocurrency for new investors. 6. Apecoin. Ape. Have you heard of Apecoin? It's a cryptocurrency that started attracting attention earlier thanks to its link to the much-hyped Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs.
Apecoin has been one of the most visible cryptocurrencies in 2022. This has a lot to do with the fact that it was listed by all top cryptocurrency exchanges when it first went live, a factor that saw its value skyrocket by thousands of percentages. With more people now trying to understand what this cryptocurrency is all about, it's no surprise that Apecoin is one of the best cryptocurrencies to buy right now. Besides the pomp-filled initial market entry, Apecoin has a lot of factors that could trigger a price rally in 2022. One of them is the launch of the Otherside metaverse. The Otherside metaverse has launched and is already a major player in the blockchain revolution. The use of Apecoin in this metaverse could play a role in driving up the value of Ape in 2022. The massive market recognition that the Otherside metaverse has received means Apecoin has the potential to be an instrumental player as blockchain disrupts gaming and other industries. It is not surprising that most Apecoin price predictions have a positive outlook for Ape for all this potential. 7. Avalanche. AVAX. Next in the list of top cryptocurrencies to invest in today is Avalanche. Avalanche is one of the most exciting and innovative cryptocurrencies. This smart contract platform serves as an excellent launching pad for new dApps creations and the creation of non-distributed assets, which can be sold or traded just like any other type of digital content. While it is a relatively new blockchain, Avalanche has emerged as one of the cryptocurrencies that could beat Ethereum in adoption. This is all thanks to its scaling capabilities. Avalanche has been proven to easily handle more than 4,500 transactions without lags on the network. Avalanche transaction costs are also among the lowest of the platform blockchains, as low as a penny. That's multiple times lower than Ethereum, whose transactions range above $30 at any given time. This makes Avalanche one of the best cryptocurrencies with a bright future ahead. Thanks to its growing adoption, Avalanche has been one of the best performing cryptocurrencies in the last 2 years. Between late 2020 and late 2021, Avalanche went up by over 5,140.86%. While Avalanche has been bearish for most of 2022, the average Avalanche price prediction is pretty bullish. It's an indicator of the general mood and expectation around AVAX. 8. Binance Coin, BNB. Fundamentals are key when shopping around for top cryptocurrencies to buy at any given time. That's why Binance Coin easily makes it to the best cryptocurrencies to buy right now. Binance Coin is used to pay fees on the Binance exchange, making it one of the best utility tokens to invest in today. To understand why this is a big deal, consider that Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the market today. Binance handles billions of dollars worth of transactions at any given time. It is also led by an innovative team and constantly adds new high-growth products. For instance, Binance was only a crypto exchange when it first started out. Today, the Binance ecosystem goes beyond the exchange and includes other products such as the Binance Smart Chain. Add to that the fact that Binance Coin is deflationary. Binance has been doing quarterly coin burn since its launch, and this has continually had a positive impact on the price of BNB. Simple economics dictate that BNB could keep going up long-term with demand growing and supply shrinking. This adds to the case for BNB as one of the top cryptocurrencies to invest in right now. It's not surprising that most Binance Coin price predictions for 2022 are strongly bullish. 9. Ethereum, ETH. With all the buzz around the Ethereum blockchain this year, there is no doubt that it is one of the best cryptos to buy right away. The Ethereum merge is expected to be completed in the next few months, meaning the transition to Ethereum 2.0 will be complete. This has a lot of benefits that could play well into the value of ETH for most of 2022 and years to come. That's because Ethereum 2.0 solves the problem of scalability that has held back the mainstream adoption of ETH for many years. Since adoption means higher demand for ETH tokens, it then follows that the shift to ETH 2.0 could trigger a rally that would make Ethereum one of the best performing cryptocurrencies in 2022. Ethereum 2.0 also comes with the advantage of a token burn. Since August 2021, when Ethereum last had a hard fork, a portion of the ETH generated as fees are burned. Once the network starts running fully as Ethereum 2.0, the impact on tokenomics will be bigger. This is evidenced in Ethereum's price action when the hard fork hit all-time highs in November 2021. At the time of the hard fork, Ethereum was trading at $1,700 and hit a high of $4,800. Analysts' price predictions for ETH going into the future are also highly bullish. Most of them expect Ethereum to push through $5,000 in 2022. This gives it a potential of more than 100% in value, making it practical as a top altcoin to buy right now. Which is the best cryptocurrency to buy right now? The use cases for cryptocurrencies continue to increase. This means that most cryptocurrencies have a promising future. However, even as you invest, you need to know that cryptocurrencies are highly volatile assets. It is best to always invest what you can afford to lose. This shouldn't worry you, though. You can lower risks by channeling your investments into high-quality cryptocurrencies. Some top cryptocurrencies to buy now for maximum returns are ApeCoin and Ethereum. They both have big news that could outperform most of the others in our top 10 list. Once you have settled on the best cryptocurrency to buy today, the next thing to consider is where to buy it. Most top cryptocurrencies are usually listed on all mainstream exchanges. Decentralized exchanges such as Uniswap and PancakeSwap can also come in handy when you want to invest in new high-potential cryptocurrencies. Such cryptocurrencies tend to list on DEXs first. They then make their way to the top cryptocurrency exchanges for better liquidity.
Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.